Linking your bank account to MineralTree is a straightforward process that allows for seamless transactions and financial management. Follow these steps to successfully connect your account. Step 1. Access your MineralTree account. Log into your MineralTree account using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to link a bank account. Step 2. Navigate to the bank account section. Once logged in, find the Settings of Bank Account section in the dashboard. This is typically located in the main menu or under Account Settings. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. Look for an option that says Add Bank Account or Link New Account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank account details, review everything to ensure it is correct. Then click Confirm or Save to complete the linking process. You may receive a confirmation message once the account is successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to MineralTree and enhance your financial management experience. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section or customer support for assistance.